The Maple Leafs have dropped 4 of their last 5 games as they travel to Carolina Sunday night. Defense and goaltending a big issue for the Leafs during their recent struggles. They've surrendered 5 or more goals in 6 of their last 10 games. Curtis McElhinney in net as we go to PNC Arena for the action.
Puck comes in front and he makes a big stop right there, point blank on Elias Lindholm. As the action picks up just a little bit late in this first period. Here's Cam Ward. He turns it over. Puck loose. Fired at Ward. That's a great stop. Point blank on Josh Leivo, whom he had gifted the chance. Going in against your former team. Deflected in front, and McElhinney may have gotten a piece of that as it waved by.
That redirected, and somehow he got back against the flow. And he's got good pace. They like him because of that.
Here's Van Riemsdyk, flips it ahead towards the front, scores! A bang-bang play. Brown gets the goal, and that may have been the first legitimate good chance for the Leafs in this game, and they bag it.
Shoshnikov has been a little better for me tonight. I know he was the same way last night.
Here comes Austin Matthews moving in. Scores! What a play by Matthews. That is dynamite.
Superstar play here, period.
The one, the only, Austin Matthews, his 28th goal of the season, and that was a beauty. And the Leafs up by a score of 2-0. Puck down in front, McElhinney fired up the left pad, made a great save on Teravainen. Gets it back out in front, another shot. McElhinney stops Skinner. Robbed him. McElhinney making the stop, and that man has been a brick wall. This is Kadri. Plays it back to the blue line. Puck wristed and scores! Gardner! Jake Gardner let that shot go, and I think it made it all the way through without being tipped. Here comes Brown. Has one of the Toronto goals. Passes it up ahead. Brown to the net, scores! What a goal! Connor Brown with the give and go, and he went and got.
Is this not identical to the goal earlier in the game? I mean, incredible.
Down inside the final 5 seconds. And the Toronto Maple Leafs pick up the win. McElhinney picks up his 5th career shutout.
After giving up 11 total goals in their last 2 games, the Leafs snap a 2-game skid, winning at 4-0. 33-year-old Curtis McElhinney records his first